Hi Sudha, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good evening. How are you? How is your health?
Very good evening to you too. Yes, now my voice is fine. I'm doing very well now.
Very good. Thank you. That's good.
Okay, Sudha, I'm seeing only you are in the session right now. So let's do one thing. Let's just wait for 5 or 6 minutes more. Let other learners also join, and then we will start the session. Okay?
Ah, yeah. Okay, ma'am. No problem.
Yeah, sure. Hi guys, just wait for 5 minutes more. Still multiple people are joining. Just 5 minutes more, and then we will then start the session. Okay? All right, everyone. So now we can start the session. So hi guys, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Python Bootcamp of CodeFox from Zero to Fluent in Python Programming. So how are you guys? How is everyone doing over here? How are you guys? How is everyone doing over here? Come on, everyone. Let me know. I'm doing great, guys. I'm doing great now. My voice is healed. My throat is healed. Now I'm doing great, and you guys can feel it from my voice as well, I guess. Okay, great, 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 everyone. So in the last session, as you guys know, my voice was very low and also there was an internet issue. So we were not able to cover our part number 5. So we will be covering that first and then we will be doing the challenge. But first of all, what we did in our last session, we learned about joins, SQL joins. Inner join, left join, right join, full join, as well as cross join. So first of all, if anyone over here is having any kinds of doubt, any sort of doubt in that part, please let me know that. First, I will help you guys out with those doubts and then we will move forward. So anyone over here, any doubts? Anyone over here, any doubts? Okay, great, great, guys. If there is any doubt you need me to clear, then please let me know. So Pradeep. So far so good. Oh, that's really, really great then. Okay then guys, so then we can start with a part number 5. Okay, so in part number 5, what we are going to learn this time, we are going to learn about the clauses. We're going to learn about the order by clause and as well as group by clause. And here are some topics which you guys can go through on your own. Now, first let's start with the order by clause. Now, sorting now guys, it is one of the most common operations in SQL. And the order by clause helps in sorting the data in the ascending or the descending order. Let's break it down step by step. What is order by? Order by clause in SQL, it is used to sort the records in a result set based on one or more columns. By default, sorting is ascending unless specified otherwise. Unless specified otherwise. And when you're going to use it? When displaying ranked lists. When displaying the ranked list, like top selling products. When organizing the data for better readability. When sorting the records for before pagination. When sorting the record before pagination. Numbering 1, 2, 3 and all. We number the records now. Before doing that, we sort them. When analyzing highest and lowest values in the data sets. And when not to use it, if sorting is not needed, it can slow down the query performance. If the data set is small, sorting might be redundant. What will you do by sorting if your data set is having only five or six rows? When retrieving unsorted row data for analysis. This is when we use and when we do not use. So now accordingly, let's do one example as well. For this example also, we will use the e-commerce database and the products table. Okay, so let's create a connection. Let me do one thing. I will just jaldi se we will just do. Okay. Okay. Done. Connection is done. Let me just get all of them in sort of ascending order. How we will do that? Just see. What you have to put, you just have to put inside the query space, select star. Why? Because everything inside the table I from product table, order by, price column in ASC means ascending order, and then with the help of looping, just get each and every product. If you guys will see, first of all, I am getting the lowest price. And at the end, I'm getting the highest price. So this is ascending order, order by. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, everyone? Now the same thing, if I want to do in the descending order, what I will do, just instead of ASC, instead of A only, I will just put DE. I will just put DE instead of A. DESC. Now, the total opposite you will get. Highest in first and lowest in last. That is order by in ascending and descending order. Now that is for the numbers. What if I want to do ascending and descending according to the needs with the help of A to Z if I want to do just like that. Let's say sorting alphabetically by product name. Then what I will do, A to Z I want to do now. A to Z means ascending order. I will just take that and product name. So here I will just add one thing. First of all, how I was doing, I was doing it on the column price. Now what I will do it on the product name column. Here I was using price column. I will just change the column name. I will just name it as product. And now B, C, J, L, O, S, S, T, W. According to what? According to the A to Z ascending order, you will get your answer. And if you want to do the exact opposite, if you want Z to A, what you will do here, instead of A, you will put D, E. You will get the total opposite of ascending. Clear, everyone? Great. Aswin, what I was saying, I was just saying how we use the order by clause, which we use it for ascending and the descending order. So first I told you guys about the numeric column, then I told you about the other columns, the string columns, text columns, how you can do it. Just you have to name the particular column. If you are putting ascending, you will get the A to Z. If you are putting descending, D, E, S, C, you will get the Z to A. Okay? Yeah. And now, guys, sometimes what happens, I want let's say let's say I want one in the highest order, one in the lowest order. One in ascending, one in descending. So let's do a situation like that. Let's say I want the category, so I want A to Z only. But prices, I want highest first. So that means I want category ascending. But I want price as descending. What will I do? I'll just take that again. And in that, I will just change a little thing. Here, I need category. Sorry, what thing I need descending? I need price as descending, no? Price ascending. But before that, I will just add one thing, category ascending. And we will get our answer. You can see like that category accessories are coming first, but inside the accessory between that, in this category only, in this A, which is starting from A, in that category only, you will find the highest price first. Similarly, in clothing, C. In C, you will find the highest price first. In E, there are 3 E's. In that, you will find the highest price first. Similarly, with F, you will find the... Okay, this footwear is literally different because this is coming first. Okay, so this is literally different, but in furniture, because these both are the same, so you will get the highest. This is the case over there. Understood, everyone? Understood, everyone? Any doubts? Anyone over there? Any doubts? Okay, that's great then, guys. Now let's understand the other thing then, group by clause. Now, in group by clause, what we do? The name itself, I guess it is clear. We have already done the group by function now. It is clear, I guess. So group by clause is used to group the rows that have the same values into the summary rows. It is typically used with the aggregate functions like count, which counts the number of records, sum, which adds up the values, average, which finds the average, max or min, which finds the highest or the lowest values. Now, what is group by clause? SQL retrieves individual records, but sometimes we need to group the data to generate reports, statistics, and insights. For example, if you run a store, you might want to find the total sales per product, count how many orders each customer placed, and calculate the average price in each category. And find the average price in each category. Now, when to use and when not to use? When you want to summarize the data for reports, finding the total revenue per product or sales per category, counting records in a category, how many orders each customer placed, finding averages, totals, and trends, calculating average product price per category. When you need aggregated insights, understanding which product sells the most. All of this, you use group by clause. And when not to, if you need individual records, if you want to see each product's price separately, group by is not needed then. If no aggregation is required, if you're not using count, sum, or average, then order by is better choice for you. Or performance issues for the large data. If you're having very large data, you can get a very unavoidable or unnecessary errors in that. So let's just see it with the help of examples. We will again use the same thing. I'm just going to execute because I haven't closed. So I'm going to count the number of products in each category. So for that, what I have done in cursor.execute in my query space, what we have done, we have taken the select, then category because I want to count the number of products in each category. In the category, then I selected category, then count. From where I have to count? Product table. Product table. I have to count. Count star because everything from the table I have to count. And I want to group them by the category. Let me show you guys out. See, it is counting that there are this category, accessories category has 2 rows, clothing category has 2 rows, electronic categories has 3 rows, footwear category has 1, and furniture category has 2 rows. This is how group by function works. Till this point clear, guys?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, ask.
Okay, so if we don't have to take everything- I
Your
mean,
voice is not
no.
clear.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
please speak.
So we use the to fetch all the data from the entire table, right? So if
Sorry,
we are not going to
Pradeep, your voice was gone uh, in between. Just speak again,
okay,
please.
sorry. Okay. So we use the star to fetch all the data from the entire table, right?
Yes.
So if we are not supposed to do that, like if we are not supposed to take all the data from the entire table, or instead we are going to take a few columns or rows, then what will be the syntax here?
That I will let you guys know. But first of all, if you want, first of all, what I'm saying, if you want to take the whole table, then we will be using the count star. Now, I will be letting you guys know in the next example, what if I do not want to take everything from the table? If I do not want to count each and everything. Like here, what we were doing, we were counting the number of products in each category. So that is what we were doing. We were just taking each and every category inside my table. That means the entire table. So we use count star. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, another question.
Yes,
So
yes.
you just told us a few minutes ago that there will be two rows dedicated to the accessories category, right?
Yeah, sir. 2 rows.
Okay, so
Here,
two
there
rows.
are
So
2
yeah,
rows.
2 rows means two data. Okay, got it.
Accessories coming in 2 rows. That is what it means. And now you are asking me, ma'am, if I want to just get one single column. So what you can do right now inside this bracket, inside this parenthesis, I'm putting star. Star means each and everything. Let's say you want to count only one thing. Let's say only one thing, the column named as category only. You only want to count the category column. For that, how we will use a count function now in SQL? Let's see that. What you will do, select count. Inside the parenthesis, put the name of the column. What is the name of the column? Category. From Products table. Okay, it is showing that there are 10 categories, but it is not the part of group by. Clear with your doubts, Pradeep? Great. Okay, then now we can start with another thing. Let's just say,
Ma'am, another question, ma'am.
now
Sorry to
I
interrupt.
want to get the sum. Okay,
Hello.
ask. Yes, ask.
Yeah. So if I have to take another column, so can we just put a comma and place it just beside category? Does it work like that?
Tell me the name of the column.
Any column.
Let me just check the names of the column. I forgot the names. Product name? Product name was the column, na? Or yeah, product. Are you guys also facing eruptions from my side in the screen? Hello, guys? See, count product name, it will just count that as well. 10 categories, 10 product names. You guys were also feeling because my screen was wiggling a bit, so I thought you guys will also have also saw that. Clear? Great. Okay, so now let's move forward, guys. Sum total price of product in each category. Total price of product from category. Guys, same thing we are going to do. Just take that only. Just take that only. What you have to do? From category, each category to will be there. Select category is going to be there. What you have to do, you just have to do the total of the product. Huh? How will you get the total with the help of sum? And on which column? Price column. From product group by category only you want to do. Just do that. And you will get your answer. Clear, guys? Now I have a little question for you. Now calculate the average price of products in each category. So can anyone let me know what should I change in this code to get the average price of products in each category now? What should I change in this code? Anyone?
Ma'am, we have to put some dollar or rupees, which is has to be common in all the places.
No. Average. Just I have to change this thing, this little thing. Instead of sum, I will just put average function now. And I will get my answer. Got it? Yes, Meenakshi. Now let's do something more interesting. चल जा यार. Okay, group by multiple columns. Group by category and product. Both. So till now, I was just grouping by with one column that was category. Now I want to group by with two columns. What I will do, what I will do, I'll just take this again. What I have to do, I have to do the, first of all, now let me just change this as well. I'll just make this as sum, and I have to do category and product name. Now just take the product name, add product name here, comma, add product name here. Just that. Get your answer. Got it, guys? Great. And guys, with that, our part number 5 is also completed. Any doubts, anyone? Any doubts, anyone, till this point? So far, so good. How about others? This will happen. You will only get the category, product name, and the sum of the prices. Nothing else. By default, you will get the answer. Everyone is clear? That's great. That's really, really great. Then let's do one thing, guys. I have a homework for this particular day, but we were not able to complete it. So let me just add it along with the solution for you guys, which you guys can go through afterwards. Okay? Here is the problem statement, and here is the problem statement along with the solution. Now, let's start with your part number 6, which we were waiting for. Inventory cleanup and product sales analysis along with the post quiz. So first of all, let's start with the inventory cleanup, the challenge of. Okay, what happened? So what I was saying, the challenge says, imagine you own a supermarket chain and you want to analyze the sales trends while keeping your product database clean and optimized. You need to remove discounted products that are out of stock, right? Stock is equals to 0. Increase prices of best-selling products sold over 50 times. Ensure database integrity by properly linking sales and products. Find top-selling products by grouping and sorting the sales data. Along with that, you have to visualize the best-selling products with the chart as well. SQL tasks, what you need to do is delete the discontinued products. If stock is 0, remove them from the database. Update product prices. If a product has been sold more than 50 times, increase its price. Use primary and foreign keys. Ensure every sale links to a valid product and customer. Group and order data. Sum total sales per product, then sort to find the best sellers. Visualize the sales data. Create a bar chart for the best selling products. This is what you're going to do. And we are going to do it step by step. So, are you guys ready for the challenge? Are you guys ready to solve this challenge with me? Come on, I'm not seeing any kind of excitement in you guys today. What happened? Are you guys tired? In part number 5 only? Huh? Let me see some excitement here. Great. Great, everyone. Now I can see some excitement. Okay, let's start with step number 1. So step number 1 is creating the database and tables. So the problem statement, the supermarket chain needs a structured database to store and manage the data efficiently. The required tables are product tables, stores the product details like product ID, name, price, category, and stock quantity. Customers tables store customer details like customer ID, customer name, and location. Sales table stores the sales transactions linking product ID and customer ID with quantity sold. And the goal is to create these tables in SQLite 3 with appropriate primary key and foreign key constraints. And we have our expected output as table created successfully. So what we will do, simply, first of all, so we have to import the SQLite 3 library. Import the SQLite 3 library, connect with the database, and create the connection with the server. Done. Now what you will do, you will execute the pragma with foreign key enable you have to do. Because it is strictly written that you have to use primary and the foreign keys in your database. Right? So make your foreign key enable. And then now let's create the tables. And this time I am creating 1, 2, and 3 tables together. And for that, I'm not using execute. I'm not using execute many. I'm using execute script. I'm using execute script. That just remember this point, when you are creating more than 3 or 4 tables inside one query space, we do not use execute and execute many. We use execute script because this is like a whole script together which we are trying to execute together. So the products table, which I am having product ID, product name, price, category, and stock quantity. Inside customers table, we are having customer ID, customer name, and location. And in sales table, we are having sales ID, product ID. Product ID is from the products table. Customer ID is from the customers table. Let me just mark it for you guys. Quantity sold, sale date, and foreign key product ID. It represents from the product ID table from the product table. Then foreign key from the customers table for the customer ID. That is exactly what I have told you. And then I'm just committing it. That is, I'm saving the changes and I'm closing it and printing tables created successfully. Is this thing clear? Is step number 1 clear? Everyone. Everyone, is it clear? Great. So let's do step number 2 now. Inserting the sample data. Now I have to insert the 3 tables rows as well. So what I will do, simple thing. So if you guys remember, I have closed the connection, so I have to create the connection again now. So I have created the connection again with the same database cursor. Then step number 2, in the product table, I have created a whole list along with the tuples inside. What I have to fill, customers data as well, sales data as well. Then with the help of execute mini query, I am just putting it inside all the tables. Then we are just fetching each table one by one, that you guys all know that how we use it, how we do our for loop for fetching all the details from the table. So 3 loops for each table, 1 loop I am using, and commit and close again. And this is how we are getting our output. Any doubts in step number 2, anyone? Any doubts in step number 2, anyone? Great. And if you guys will see here now, I have put one thing as 0. And in products, last thing is stock quantity. I have put one thing as 0 in the products data. Stock quantity. What happened? Oh, comma. Okay, Supradeep. Okay, Supradeep. Great. I put it as 0. Old TV stock is 0. So now what I have to do, I have to remove the discontinued product then. If there is no stock, if my stock is 0, that means it is discontinued. So what I will do, I will just remove the discontinued product. So I have to remove the product where the stock is 0. How will I do that? With the help of delete statement now. So close I have done. So create the connection again, cursor again, and in execute, just put delete from the products table where stock quantity is equals to 0. And our step number 3 is also done. Now deletion is done. I have to just get the best selling product. Now how will I get the best selling product? How will I get the best selling product now? For that, it is written use inner join to combine sales and product table. Use sum quantity sold to calculate total units sold per product. Use group by product name to aggregate the sales data. Use order by total sold descending to rank the best sellers. Store results in a pandas data frame for better readability. Okay, so I have to do multiple things over there. So, and I'm also going to do one thing over there, guys. As I'm going to put everything inside the data frame because store better results in data frame. So first of all, I have to import the pandas too this time. Yes, import pandas as PD. Create the connection, create a cursor, then query the best sellers. In the query space, what I'm doing? I'm taking products dot product sum sales dot quantity sold from the sales table. Inner join on products on sales dot product ID is equals to products dot product ID. Then group by products dot product name and order by sum on sales dot quantities sold in the descending order. I know it must be a little confusing for you, so I will just give you guys 2 or 3 minutes. Please go through this one. And then I'm doing nothing. I'm just uh, fetching or executing that query and putting everything inside the T tuple. And then with the help of for loop, just getting each and everything. Now I'm giving you guys a time. Please go through this code. I know it must be a little typical for you guys. Let's wait for others as well, Supradeep. Everyone done? Everyone done? Great. Now, guys, let's just visualize the last step That is step number 5, not 6. Now we just have to visualize. We have to plot the bar chart for total sales per product. Okay. So everyone knows how we get the bar charts now. So similar. For that, we will be needing the matplotlib library, figure size, and data frame name is DF bestsellers. Inside the just put the name, product name, column, bestsellers, total sold. X and Y, color sky blue. You will get the chart of the bestsellers. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, guys? Are you all clear with the challenge? Any doubts in any of the steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5? The code is in front of you, Supradeep. Okay. Let me do one thing. I'm sharing this. I'm sharing this notebook with you guys. Take 2 or 3 minutes. Go through the challenge and let me know once done. Okay. Any doubts? I will clear them on the spot. I've shared it. I'm sharing it on WhatsApp as well. I've shared it on WhatsApp as well. Go through this once and let me know. If there will be any doubts, I will clear them out. Till then, I will just add your AI tool of the week at the end. I am on mute, guys. Go through this. Everyone done? Everyone done? Everyone done? Let me know, guys. Two more minutes. Okay. Everyone done? Everyone done? Aishwarya, Aswin, Sudha, Vishal, Navya, Zulekha, Minakshi, Sai. Great. Okay then guys, with that we have come to the end of our session. Just one thing is pending, that is your post quiz. Let me just send you guys the link. Okay everyone, I have sent you all the post quiz link. Did you all receive it? Did you all receive it? Okay, great. Okay then everyone, please fill out, please solve your post quiz and let me know once done. Okay, I'll be on mute. Just let me know once done with the post quiz. Sure, Zulekha. And also we are done. I'm just sharing the feedback form with all of you. Here is the feedback form as well, guys. All who are done with your post quiz, please just fill out the feedback form and let me know once done, okay? Thanks, Zulekha, Subhradeep, Ishwarya. Web scraping mostly. Yes, web scraping we will be learning next week, okay? Yeah. Others also, please let me know once done, okay? Okay, sure, Sudha, I will be on mute. You guys can take your time. Good night, Subhradeep. Good night, Zulekha. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you, Vishal. Thank you, Navya. Good night. That's great, Aswin. That's great, Sudha. Thanks, Aswin. Sudha, Minakshi. Okay, great, guys. Great. Good night. Okay, guys. So now I will be just ending the session. Good night to you too. Okay, guys. So now I'm ending the session and we will be meeting in our next week now. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Have a nice day. Good night. Bye-bye.